Hey everyone, it's Luigi again. And if you missed the weekly from last Friday, don't sweat it. I'm here to catch you up. We've got summer sales advice that won't make you cringe, planes that forgot how to fly, robots slinging popcorn, cartoon billionaires cashing in, and yes, a startup kiss cam moment that broke the internet. Let's get into it. First up, if your summer revenue is looking more dehydrated than your Aunt Linda at Coachella, I wrote a little something for you. 5 ways to pump up your sales without sacrificing your dignity or organizing a desperate sidewalk flash mob. Spoiler, none of them involve interpretive dance or coupons that scream, please come back. You're welcome. Meanwhile, Alaska Airlines decided to take IT issues to a whole new level and grounded every single plane it owns. That's over 250 planes benched. Blame it on a network outage. You know, just your typical, oops, our infrastructure collapsed moment. It's giving Y2K vibes in 2025. So if you're flying Alaska anytime soon, maybe bring snacks, patience, and a backup career plan. Over in Hollywood Hills, Elon Musk launched a Tesla-branded diner at 4:20 p.m. Love this guy. Because subtlety is for peasants. The place serves burgers, fries, and something called epic bacon, while a humanoid robot hands you popcorn. You watch movies on 2 giant LED screens while your car charges and judges your sodium intake. Brilliant. Now, if you've ever wondered what it looks like when the Ivy League sues the government, congrats, it's happening. Harvard is in a $0.2 billion legal battle with Uncle Sam. Allegations of ideological capture, First Amendment violations, and federal overreach. Basically, the US is mad, Harvard's mad, and no one's blinking. It's academic freedom versus administrative spec. Round 1, ding ding. In lighter news, South Park just closed a $1.5 billion deal to stream their glorious unfiltered chaos on Paramount Plus. That's billion with a B, folks. There was some corporate backstabbing, a lawsuit threat, and Trump even made a cameo appearance because, of course he did. But long story short, fart jokes continue to be a highly profitable business model. Cartoons, guys, cartoons. And now for something useful. Your favorite tax workaround survived Congress. I know, shocking. If you're an S-corp or a partnership, you can still use the pass-through entity tax trick to dodge the SALT cap legally, which is rare and beautiful. So yes, be the loophole, love the loophole, exploit the loophole. Matt breaks it down in this week's Money Minute. Okay, on to some quick hits from around the web. First up, news that can only be happening in Florida. Scientists there are using remote-controlled, heat-emitting robot bunnies to lure out 200-pound Burmese pythons. I wish I was making this up, folks. These bunnies literally film their own murder so researchers can track snake behavior. And while we're talking about terrible ideas, we've now built robots that grow, heal, and cannibalize each other to survive. Basically, if Skynet and a Lego set had a nightmare baby. Why? Who knows? But if this newsletter ends abruptly next week, assume the AI got us. And finally, because tech bros can't help themselves, a startup exec and a chief people officer were caught swapping spit on a Coldplay kiss cam. The memes were fast, the resignation was faster, and now their company is way more famous than it deserves to be. Forget product market fit. All you need is to swap some tongue and a stadium camera. All right, folks, that's your recap. Planes grounded, cartoons cashing in, robots making popcorn in war machines, and Harvard lawyering up like it's finals week. Click the link, catch up, and maybe keep a fire extinguisher near your server room, just in case. See you next time.